Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Windows terminal profiles for PowerShell and WSL step by step clearly. Open Windows Terminal on your computer. Click on the down arrow icon in the title bar. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. The settings file will open in your default JSON editor. Locate the Profiles section within the settings file. You will see a list of default profiles. To create a new profile for PowerShell, look for the section labeled List. Add a new object to the list with the following properties. Set the GUID property to a unique identifier using curly braces. For example, B0C3D6F82624C3082F1B8922F7D1A4. Set the name property to PowerShell or any name of your choice. Set the command line property to pwsh.exe for PowerShell Core or PowerShell.exe for Windows PowerShell. Set the starting directory property to your preferred starting path. To configure a profile for Windows subsystem for Linux, also add a new object to the profile list. Set the GUID property to another unique identifier. For example, 757F5F41394442DB1202684088D2B8F. Set the name property to WSL or any name you prefer. Set the command line property to WSL.exe. Again, set the starting directory property to your preferred starting path. Once you've added both profiles, ensure the overall JSON structure remains valid. Next, save the changes you made to the settings file. Close the JSON editor to return to Windows Terminal. Click on the down arrow icon again to see your newly created profiles. Select the PowerShell profile to open a new tab. Repeat the process to open a WSL tab as well. You have now successfully configured profiles for PowerShell and WSL. Enjoy using your customized Windows Terminal setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.